Hi everyone, it's Monday and we are working on two-dimensional shapes this week, and we are working on flip and slide today. Our success criteria include that we are learning to investigate the effect of one-step slides and flips with and without the use of digital technologies. We can identify a one-step slide or flip of a single shape. Use the terms slide and flip to describe the movement of the shape. Perform a one-step slide or flip with a single shape. And our two-dimensional vocabulary for this week is shape, two-dimensional shape, circle, triangle, quadrilateral, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, orientation, features, symmetry, slide, flip, turn, full turn, half turn, quarter turn, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, flip and slide. What does it all mean? Flip and slide are words to describe how shapes can be changed or moved. Let's look at some examples. When a shape is flipped, it becomes a mirror image of the original shapes, and it can be flipped in any direction. Let's take a look. Here's our triangle, and it's been flipped. It's flipped to the left, it's flipped up, it's flipped to the right, and it's flipped down. Okay, let's look at slide. When a shape slides, it moves in a straight direction. Shapes can slide in any direction, but they always remain the same. So they can move from the left to the right, or they can move up and down. So there's a video for you to watch, and that'll be in your Google Classroom, and that will explain a little bit more about shapes, flipping and turning and sliding, which is what we're focusing on today. Let's have a look at some shapes and see if you can work out if they have been flipped or slid. Okay, so this is our shape at the top. Which of the shapes below is the result of sliding the arrow? So which one do you think? It could have moved to the left or the right or up and down? Which one do you think? I'll give you a minute. Have a little think. Pick which one, A, B or C. And if you got C, you are correct. Okay. Which of the shapes below is the result of flipping the L shape? Okay, so remember we can flip in various ways, but our L will look different when it's flipped. So if it flips from one side to the other or up and down, it's not going to look the same. So which one do you think will be the result of L flipping? Okay, it can't be B because we know that that one's the same. Okay, if we flipped our B to the right, what do you think it would look like? That's right, C. All right, the activity that you need to do today is draw the shapes below by flipping and sliding. It does say rotating, but we're mostly focusing today just on flipping and sliding. So we're going to slide the triangle. Okay, so you're going to imagine sliding the triangle, or you might like to cut out a triangle and see what happens if you slid it along the paper. And then you're going to draw the shape. Then the second one is flip the shape. So we just practiced that really, so that shouldn't be too hard. So flip the shape. So the same thing, if you want to, you can go and get yourself a cutout at this shape and then try and flip it and see what happens. So flip the shape and then draw a picture. And then again, we're going to slide the rectangle. So practice sliding the rectangle, and then we're going to flip the heart. Okay, so now it's your turn. Number one, you're going to complete the 2D One Monday PDF, which is just the pictures that I just showed you. And then number two, I want you to go for a shape hunt and find 4 shapes. For example, you might find a piece of paper, a book, a DVD. So the DVD, I know lots of you don't have those necessarily anymore, but you might have a DVD player somewhere and you can have those. And you can then try and flip and slide the object. So take a photo of your work and so that we can see how you've gone with that today. I recommend that you watch the 2D shape video because that's got some really great information to help you with your task today. And then the last thing that you can do is play a 2D shape game. So this is where you have to maneuver the shapes by sliding. You might need to flip them or turn them to get them free from a little maze that they're in. Okay. All right. Good luck with all of that. I hope you find that okay today, and I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.